Hi, my kiddos. How are you? I hope you had a really good Easter. I hope that either I've been able to get to you and bring you your new package for this week, or I'm coming soon. If you're already watching this, you might want to wait until I get it to you, because when you open it up, you're going to find a booklet inside that is about Break Apart Edition. Okay, so you'll need that. So if you haven't got it out yet, you can still watch it again, I guess, if you want to. But we're just going to talk a little bit about math. Let's just do a quick math is awesome, so we're ready to go. And then I'll explain a little bit about what you're going to work on this week, okay? All right, here we go. You got to breathe in through your nose, sit up nice and straight. Out through your mouth. Be doing it. One more. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Math is awesome. Okay, and it is. Okay, so this is kind of the last big idea that we're going to work on in math. And then the rest of the stuff that I will be giving you after this break apart stuff will be simpler. It will be less taxing on your brain, which I think will be good timing because the sun is supposed to start shining more, and I think you're going to want to go outside more than you're going to want to do math. So we talked a tiny bit about this before we left school. It's called Break Apart Addition. It's my favorite strategy, so I didn't want to leave it undone, so let's do a little bit more. I have the example that I have up here is on your first page. So they give you an example, and then I'm doing this one right here. So if you don't have that in front of you, just pause this video and then go get it, and we'll work through the first question together, okay? So the first question is 55 plus 24. And when you break it apart, you're just breaking it into tens and ones, which we've talked about a lot. I know it's been a while. But to help you see it, I'm going to write the tens in green and the ones are going to be purple. So hopefully you can see that from where you are watching. So 55 is actually 50 and 5. Okay, so I broke that into tens and ones. 24 is actually 20 and 4. So all they want you to do, or all I want you to do, is add the tens together, and then add the ones together, and then put it back together to figure out what your answer is, okay? So if we add the tens together first, you have 50 plus 20, and that is 70. I don't like answering my own questions. I wish you guys were here so you guys could answer the questions for me. And the ones, you have 5 plus 4, so 5 plus 4, pretend it's 5 plus 5 and give one back. 5 plus 5 is 10, give one back, it's 9, okay? So you have 70 and 9. So you have to put those back together to have your final answer, okay? So put the tens and ones back together. 70 and 9 is 79. So the answer to the first question is 79. I'm going to show you really quick before I let you go and do your own work. I'm going to show you really quick just a simple way, a simpler way of looking at it, but your sheet is going to look like this, okay? So if you were going to do it a simpler way, if you had 55 plus 24, and I think I showed you this in the classroom, but I'm not positive. So you would go like this. The tens are 50 plus 20, gives you 70, and the ones are 5 plus 4 equals 9. 70 and 9 equals 79. Okay, so if you need to watch this again, do, before you start doing your own work. If you need to use your blocks and build it or draw those numbers so that it helps to make sense of those numbers, do that. If you need to call me, because I'm here, or email me, get me to help you, okay? And I will every page looks the same this week, so it's just one page per week is what I put in your package. And I'll do another example for you guys maybe in a couple of days so you can look again. And good luck, have fun, I'll be in touch. Bye kiddos.